Alright, so everybody, let's take a look at the page that we're working on right now, 371. So, let's all take a look down at the words on the page. Micaiah, can you read to me what this says right down here?
I don't know how to read.
Okay, so it's the number 23, and it says 23 ones. So that means we need to draw. We need to draw 23 ones.
Nice.
So let's do that on our papers right along here.
1, 2, 3,
Mhm.
4, 5.
One,
How many says 3?
23, yep, that number right there is 23. You don't need an eraser, we're just drawing right now.
Tell me when I stop.
Have you drawn all 23 ones, Lloyd?
16, 17,
Mhm.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Whoops. Remember, we only need 23, so we need to stop at 23. I heard you say 24 and 25, right?
But I didn't say 23.
Okay, but 23 comes before 24 and 25.
Oh, 7,
I can hold it.
9, 10, that's your rest book.
You need me to hold this like this?
12, 13,
Okay.
14, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 22.
22? Alright, so now we've got 23. So now, Greg, I want you to circle one group of 10.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
Okay, does everybody have 23 circles? Can I get a big thumbs up if you have 23 circles? 23 circles? Liam, do you have 23 circles?
I have 23.
Okay, so now let's find a group of 10. So we need to find a group of 10. And when we find that group of 10, we're going to circle it.
Right here?
Yep. We're going to find a group of 10 inside of the 23 circles that we already drew.
He has to stop getting up.
Alright, so Micaiah, is that a group of 10? That looks a little bit larger than a group of 10 to me.
No, I don't.
So yeah, let's take our time. Let's count and make sure that we're only circling 10 circles.
I don't play.
Okay.
I'm coming right back.
Have you found the first group of 10 circles?
I don't play nobody mess with me.
Okay, nobody's gonna mess with you.
I just want him to stop getting up. It's very...
Okay, so let's just focus on ourselves.
How do you do this?
So, have you drawn the 23 circles? Okay, so now we're finding a group of 10 inside of the 23 circles. Oops, so we're not drawing more circles, we're counting up 10 circles over here, and then we're going to circle them to show that it's a group of 10. So if you already drew the 23 circles, then we are already at 23. But right now, we need to find a group of 10.
It's sunny outside.
Yeah, we are in a very sunny spot. Just don't look at the sun, you'll be A-okay, I promise.
My head hurts too.
Both of y'all hit us. Hey, you
Look at my eyes.
Okay, let's stay focused on finding the group of 10.
Okay.
Have you found the group of 10, Liam?
No, I erased my stuff.
Okay, so now let's see if there's another group of 10. Once we find the first one, we can see if there's another.
Can we do this one?
No, we need to work on this page right over here.
Wally fish.
Stop touching
Have you found
me.
both groups of 10?
Yeah, I found both.
Stop talking to
Okay,
us.
and how many groups of 10 are there altogether?
20.
You think there's 23 groups of 10? One moment, I'm talking with Liam right now. You need to wait your turn.
I think it's 4 tens. Because
4 tens? Okay, can you show me where you see 4 tens in the circles that you drew?
Okay.
Okay, so I'm not seeing 4. Here, listen.
Okay.
Okay,
No,
so
right here.
where do you see 4 groups of 10 right over here?
I'm not showing you so you can see it.
Okay,
What is that in the back?
so there's one group of 10,
Yes.
and now, okay, so there's another group Where do you see 2 more?
Actually, it's right here. Shoot, actually you do is 3.
I know.
Okay, but is that a group of 10 over here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's count it up, because I think that's a little bit of a smaller group.
In
So
our
I do already. Am I
Okay, but let's count. Can you count with me?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Starting.
5, 6.
7,
So that can't be a group of 10 if it only has 6, right?
2, 3,
Yeah, because we're looking for groups of 10.
6, 7, 8, I didn't. So I didn't got no more. What to put right here? Because I
It's
had
not
to put down
10.
here.
1,
2, 3,
1, 2,
5, 6,
1, 2,
7,
3,
8,
4,
9,
5, 6,
10. I think that was
Mhm. Alright, so have we all found
I'm gonna get
the groups of 10? We don't have more erasers, I'm sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
finally
7, 8,
Yes, you can talk, Micaiah.
You keep touching me and I don't like it. Over and over again.
Okay,
over, down,
who is he? Alright, Lloyd, I understand that we are really cramped up back here, but I need you to not keep on touching Micaiah. Alright, Lloyd, are you listening? Okay, so what did I just say about touching Micaiah?
Don't touch the kind no more.
Let's try and leave Micaiah alone. We need to give her her personal space.
17,
Okay.
18, 19, 20, 21.
Oh, shoot, my wolf. My wolf is under here. Really? We didn't finish.
Wait, should I do this one?
17, 18, 19, 20.
No, this is the last, this is a page that we did before. We're working over here right now.
We didn't do this. Can I keep
I was done.
We're not doing it right now. We're working over here on page 371, like we
I don't
said.
have to do this.
You don't have to do this page. You do not.
Mr. McDonald, you gotta keep on writing the number right here.
We do have to keep on writing the numbers over there.
I want to finish all of
Wait,
the
so I
whole book.
The whole book? Okay, I don't think you'll be able to do all that today.
No, you can't.
I don't know.
Well, let's see. Can you show me the 2 groups of 10 that you see?
I wish I could.
I can't really see the shit because I keep erasing it on accident.
Okay, well, let's just not erase any of our work. How about that?
Already.
You already erased it?
No. He doesn't get it.
I'm done.
That's your name tag.
Like head.
Oh, why do I have to
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Oh, he said a
21.
cuss word.
We're not cursing.
20.
I didn't cuss. I just said ocean. No, I just said shoot.
Yeah, well, I don't know what he said, but what I can tell you is that, Greg, you're not really doing your work right now.
All it is, I just say shoot.
Okay, if that's all you said, that's all you said. We don't need tattletales.
I really want to sit right there.
So you gotta sit right where you're at. Okay. So now, who can tell me how many 10s there are in this picture?
Good.
Okay, so Micaiah says that there are 2 groups of 10. Greg, I need you to listen. Micaiah just said there are 2 groups of 10 in 23 ones. Do you agree with her or do you disagree? You agree? Okay, you agree. Alright, so Liam, do you agree with Micaiah that there are 2 groups of 10 in a group of 23?
29.
Okay. Now, alright, Lloyd, you're already ahead. Okay, you can stay with what you're doing since you're ahead of the rest of the group.
It's because he's going too fast.
Okay. So, now, how many 1s are there in a group of 23? We now know that there are 2 10s, but how many 1s?
2.
2? Are you sure? How many circles do you see that aren't a part of a big group of 10? So there should be...
8. So,
I'm not so sure. Yeah, there should be 3, right? Because it looks like you drew circles around 2 groups of 10,
no, I
and then there's a couple that are left out.
Okay, and 3.
3. So that means there should be 2 groups of 10, and then 3 ones.
Yes! That's so easy. I can just stay on my phone all day.
Okay.
I want to do that 23!
23. Great, good job.
Ow! Can I go ahead?